that we are getting for you, and this is about the ongoing Indigo crisis. Top sources have told your channel that oversight team has been constituted by the DGCA. Remember, the DGCA's focus right now is to, one, ensure the operations get back to normal, and on the other hand, the focus is also on figuring out what really led to this crisis. So while on one hand, examination of the response to show cause notice is underway, on the other hand, what we have now learned is that DGCA has decided to constitute oversight team with 8 members. 2 members from these teams, in fact, will be deployed at Indigo's corporate office in Gurgaon, and on a daily basis, they will be looking into areas like total fleet, average stage length, total number of pilots that are available, how crew utilization is happening, the crew members that are under training right now, flights that are taking off or landing on a particular day, and the crew that is available. Apart from that, officers have been deployed at Indigo's corporate office who will be monitoring on a daily basis the cancellation status, both of domestic as well as international flights. They will be monitoring the refund issue, on-time performance of the airline, baggage return, and all these things are something that Indigo in fact is now going to be doing. This is what DGCA has now decided to do, and what is also important, viewers, is that both these teams will be submitting a daily report by 6 p.m. every evening. So this is a very, very big development, viewers, that has taken place as far as DGCA is concerned, ongoing Indigo crisis is concerned. So this is the order that Times Now has accessed, where you can see these 8 people are going to be part of this oversight team that has been formed by DGCA. Now, 2 members from this team will be deployed at Indigo's corporate office in Gurugram, and they will be monitoring on a daily basis total fleet, average stage length, total number of pilots, network details. If we scroll up, we'll also show you, how the other 2 teams are going to, in fact, be looking at this entire scenario, and they will ensure that passengers are not inconvenienced anymore. And there is going to be, in fact, a daily reporting also that's going to happen every evening at 6 o'clock. Before 6 o'clock, a report will be sent by both these teams to the government so that things get back on track very, very soon. We will slip into a very, very short break right now. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.